Hey, welcome everyone to the quick video from PowerShell Academy on collecting the server information in seconds using PowerShell. Today I'm going to show how to use PowerShell to quickly gather detailed server information through a user-friendly form. With this script, you can fetch essential server details like operating system, version, and architecture in just a few clicks. And this is how the tool looks like. And the bright side of it is that it's gonna take a minute to build this script. So let us quickly go to the script part now. And this is the script that we are going to explain now. This is kept in the Git repository and I will be sharing the link in the description. So let us try to execute this now. As we already seen in the PPT, this is the tool that is going to get created. So let us close this and see what are the items that we have included in that form. First of all, I am loading the assembly for creating the forms here using add assembly name system.windows.forms. Then I'm creating a form object with this same new object, but with the type system.windows.forms.form. I'm giving a text to the heading of that form, then setting up the size using the drawing.size property. That's it. Then I'm labeling it with ender servers, which is what we are seeing over here. Then text box we are creating use the same format like we have created the label and the form. And we are resizing it over here with the size property. And then we are creating a button using the similar format and sizing the button as per our requirement and giving a text to that button called check-in form. And here we are defining what it needs to do when you're clicking that button. First of all, when you're clicking the button, it should get the servers from the text box and getting into the variable named $servers. And we're retrieving those servers from that list, taking it to the server one by one using a getWMI object of class Win32 operating system. We are collecting the OS level information from each servers. And then we are creating a PS custom object, which is nothing but creating an array of information that we have pulled using getWMI object commandlet. We are handling the error mechanism here with try catch mechanism as well. So if there is anything happening in this try block, the catch block will activate and it pops up that failed to get the information from this specific server. So that's a guidance for us to understand some server got failed in this process. Then finally, we are clearing the data grid view each time before the new data is loaded. Then the data that we have pulled into the $data, we are taking it to the data grid variable that we have defined over here. Data grid view is nothing but this, which is a table-like format in PowerShell, which got columns, rows, headings with it. We can create the data grid view in the same format how we have created the label, text box, and even the form as well. Then we are setting up the location, we are setting up the size, and we are giving the column names here like server name, OS version, and architecture here. And finally, we are adding that $data grid object, which is holding the information about this data grid into a form using $form.controls.add. And finally, we are showing up the form using show dialog box. So this is how you can create a form like this. And if you type the name of your server here, localhost, I don't have multiple servers available at the moment, so I'm using the same server, passing it with commas and clicking on check info so that it will give you the details about the server names that you're entering in this text box. So you can give n number of servers to this text box, which will give you the information that you want. Go and customize yourself with the information that you want to pull from the servers in the easiest way. If you want to more deeper in creating forms, please check out the videos from PowerShell Academy. We have a variety of courses available in PowerShell Academy that starts from learning PowerShell from scratch, PowerShell for SQL Server DBAs, how to create graphical user interfaces, how to create fancy tools using PowerShell and all. So check out those. Hope you have enjoyed the video and happy learning and coding. Thank you.